That's looking good.
No, that's wrong.
Hey.
Things we have to do, eh?
That's what he's doing today. He's going to clear that area. Ready for when we do the roof. So I'm leaving him to it, because as you can tell, I'm not well.
I ran out of tubs.
Oh.
Had to improvise. Oh, nearly there. It's getting warm. It's getting really warm. Look, it's nearly all gone.
Good job.
Don't do manual labour. I've told you this before.
Don't make me laugh.
This is how we got Trevor the tractor. You won't do little bits like this. If I was in top gear, the Clarkson. Don't do manual labour.
I'll get you a nice glass of lemonade.
Oh, yeah. You pot off and go and do that now. I'll get it done. And I'll take an OAP break. How's that, puppy? Must be cookie time now, isn't it? Is it cookie time? Start off. There's something in the ground.
Oh, crap.
What's that? It's got a wire in it. It's not water, you can hear the wire rattling around inside. But we don't have any power up there. So we're going to find out, aren't we? Good, innit? Good God, I do like diggering. Water, isn't it? Yeah, you were saying about the water. It's alright, we'll take the tap off down here and cut it and put the thing on.
Yeah. Oopsie, Marmite.
Right, you just want to get your pipe cutter. I can fix this. Hey, I don't mind water pipes. But shit pipes, like I get pissed off with. Right.
It's quite low actually, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, don't need that, but you hold that. I'm going to need that, that's important.
Important bit.
And special pipe cutter coming up. Might be a shower sooner than I thought. Right, now I need the tap. Lovely jubbly. Yeah. Is that going to hold it, do you think? Call me a plumber.
Yeah, but now look.
Well, you wanted a tap, didn't you, in the garden?
Yeah, but look.
Oh. Oh. Right, now the problem we have is the tap's in the way of where we're digging. So we're going to have to dig the tap pipe out. Pull it back a bit. Might not stay on for long though, because it didn't go on very much.
I think that'll just have to do until we sort that pipe out.
That's really a manually diggy thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is very sad. Don't like manually digging things.
I don't think I've seen you do as much manual labour in ages.
Take that as a compliment.
Yeah, you should. Dig the hole this big, because it is actually quite large.
Yes. That post there is where the new retaining wall is going to be, and the pieces of wood are going to be behind it. So all this soil then folds against it again. So you've got to have a reasonable distance to be able to work, because you've got to put the pieces of wood in, we've got holes to dig, we've got concrete to do, and then we've got to drill holes and put bolts in and stuff to assemble it all. Did I intend to dig this much? Yeah, I think I did actually. I quite like digging holes.
You do like digging holes.
Yes, but I didn't plan on the water pipe, which I should have known it was somewhere around here, but I forgot. And I didn't plan on this thing either. Whatever the hell this is, it's not ours. It's electric. You can hear it inside the pipe. The conduit. We have nothing up the garden that's electric, so I don't know.
Yeah, you need one.
And you get the flip again.